Here's how to add a back button on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. iPhone doesn't have a built-in back button like Android, but you can add a back style button using iOS accessibility features. Open Settings, Tap Accessibility, Tap Touch, then Assistive Touch. Turn Assistive Touch on. You'll see a floating button on your screen. Tap Customize, top level menu. Select an icon and choose Back. Now you have a back button on your screen. Tap the Assistive Touch button, then tap Back to go to the previous screen in most apps. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Scroll down and tap Back Tap. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap. Select Back. Now tap the back of your iPhone to go back. Back Tap works best without a thick case. Not all apps support the back action perfectly. You can use both Assistive Touch and Back Tap together for faster navigation. And that's it. That's how you add a back button on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.